Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Avalanche tokens from your secure Ledger Nano X hardware wallet to your Revolut account. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to do it right to keep your assets safe. In this video, I'll walk you through each step so you can do it confidently and quickly. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, which is one of the most trusted hardware wallets out there, your Avalanche tokens stored on it, and a Revolut account that's set up to receive crypto. If you haven't already, update your Ledger's firmware and install the Avalanche app from the Ledger Live software. This ensures everything is up to date for 2025 standards. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. Enter your PIN on the device to unlock it, then navigate to the Avalanche app on your Ledger. Once it's open, you'll see your Avalanche wallet address. Next, hop over to your Revolut app. Go to the crypto section, select Avalanche, and generate a receive address. This is where your tokens will land, so copy this address carefully, double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, back on Ledger Live, select the Send option in the Avalanche wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer, paste in the Revolut address, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the network fees. Avalanche transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything on your Ledger device screen. Never trust your computer screen alone for security. Once you're sure, approve the transaction on your Ledger, and voila, your Avalanche tokens are on their way. It should only take a few minutes for the transfer to complete, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Revolut balance to confirm. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to send Avalanche from your Ledger Nano X to Revolut in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.